Hi everyone, welcome to my first video on my new channel Load Tester. My name is Ashish Sawant and I am performance tester by passion. I am passionate about testing and optimizing web application performance. In this channel I will sharing my knowledge and experience to help you to understand fundamentals of performance testing. We will explore key concepts, best practices and tools that can help you to ensure your application runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you are beginner or looking to learn basic or experienced tester aiming to deepen your expertise, there is something here for you. Let's get started on this excited journey into world of performance testing. In this video, we will see basic introduction to the performance testing. We will start introducing you software development lifecycle, then we will dive into various types of testing, explain performance testing fits within the broader umbrella of testing and its role in software development lifecycle. Then finally, I will highlight importance of performance testing and why it is crucial for ensuring the reliability and efficiency of applications. By end of this video, you will learn and have solid understanding of how performance testing integrates into development process and why it is key component of delivering high quality software. Let's see basic software development life cycle. Imagine you are building an online store where people can buy clothes or gadgets. First, you will need to plan what is your website will sell and how customers will navigate it. Then you will define all details like product categories, payment options, and shipping methods. After that, you will design a plan to making that website, its interface, its middleware, its backends, repository, data repository, and all. Next, you will develop the website, which is actually coding work, where you will build your website and make it work. Post that, you will test and analyze the website. Its all functionalities are working as per expectation or not. Post that, we deploy the product in production. Post deployment, we will analyze that any improvement needed in this product or any additional development is needed. Then we includes it in next cycle. So plan, define, design, development, testing and analysis, deployment and planning for new improvement. Again, it's a product software development life cycle. So here is a definition of software testing. Software testing is a process in which we ensure that product is working as expected and meeting user requirements. There are mainly two types of testings. First is a functional testing, second one is a non-functional testing. Functional testing ensures that each feature of software works as intended. It includes types like unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. On another hand, non-functional testing examines aspects like performance, usability, and security. To so currently, which we are focusing that performance testing is a part of non-functional testing. Performance of any software is dependent on these 3 S's. Speed, where response time of software is monitored. Scalability, where we ensure that application is scalable for load bearing. Stability, where we see the performance of application while performing under high and extreme load conditions. We can define performance testing as ensuring speed, stability, and scalability of software or application is known as performance testing. Let's see that why it is important that we supposed to do the performance testing. Any transaction is underperforming or lagging by performance at peak load within the application or any value chain is lagging in downflow of application is known as bottleneck. So find such bottlenecks to ensure scalability of application by considering future load conditions to check that any risks are in performance of application. If there are any, so we can early mitigate them. Disk, memory, CPU, network utilization is known as resource utilization. So we can monitor utilization and we can check that it's within control. Ensuring data above things, we can ensure stability of our application. In current digital era, some laws are coming for customer safety of data and money. So make compliance against that. and compliance against such laws, we need to do the performance testing. So when we are doing the performance testing, when the application is new and going first time live into the production or for customer use, then we ensuring the performance and we are doing the performance testing for that application. If already application is there in production, but we have developed some improvement for that application, or we have did some code or functional changes in the application, for the validation of those things we are doing the performance testing. Sometimes we notice that data volume is increased in database or user volume is increased in production. In both cases we are doing the performance testing. In some cases we are changing from one service to another service like Oracle SQL to PLSQL or Azure to AWS. In such migrations cases or integration cases, we are doing the performance testing. So today we have learned some basic information about performance testing. So I think you have got answers for some questions like what is performance testing, why we are doing that, when we are doing that, and where it is standing in software development life cycle. In next video we will see about performance testing life cycle. If you are finding my videos useful, then give one like for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comment section. Subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much.